Hello guys, welcome back to Homesteading with Butch. Today we're going to get started on rebuilding this deck. We ain't got all the framing materials. Now we're just trying to get set up and get started. Alright, before we get this video started, I want y'all to go down there and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Alright, glad y'all could join us today. Okay guys, we got it started. We ain't quite halfway there, but we're getting close. Took it to welded some angle iron on here to catch us in. Got these at 1 foot apart. A few of them I got to trim a little high, but that's all right. That's the difference in the width of the bore. I go in there and put some screws on that end to the wall. About all I got for you tonight. I'm gonna wrap this video. Don't forget to go there and like and subscribe. All right, y'all have a good night. God bless. Bye.